Hello traders. In today's video we will learn how to trade in Deriv Multiplier. Deriv's Multiplier trading platform is a very simple platform because no separate software is needed. Trading can be done directly from mobile or Google Chrome browser. So let's get started without further delay. First we need to open an account in Deriv. Account opening link is given below in the video description. With the link you can register or log in with your Gmail. We will log in here and go to the main screen. Here we will select Multiplier from the right sidebar option. Now we can trade on any synthetic symbol of the derivative. A plus point of this is that derivative synthetic symbols can be traded at any time throughout the day. We can trade on it at any given time, even on Saturdays and Sundays. After selecting the symbol we will select the chart type to study the chart. Since by default, our area chart will show the tick chart, so for short-term trading, we will select the 1-minute chart. And here we will select the Candlestick Chart. Candlestick charts are very useful for new traders to study the market. It is very important to learn candlestick charts, market chart patterns, and trend lines at a basic level for our trading. Now let's draw a trend line box here on the chart. Now let's see how to open a multiplier trade order. We can see at the beginning that here we have the option to select our trade multiplier. We will select the maximum 500% here. I will put $2 in take profit. That means if there is a profit of $2 in the trade will be closed automatically. And stop loss, we will keep $1, means if there is a loss, maximum loss will be our entire investment. We can keep 50% stop loss or less if we want to. Now zoom in and see the candlestick patterns. Here, if this current bar crosses the high of the last two bars, closes upwards, then we will buy. Here we need to type how many dollars we want to invest in the stake. Let's invest $1. We open the order with a take profit of $10. Our target is the previous top. Since a higher low has been formed on the chart, we predict that the market will now go higher. Now we will wait until the market goes up. But here it must be kept in mind that if you invest more in multiplier, then your risk and profit both will be more. So invest wisely only after thinking about how much risk you can take and then open the order. Many people invest more thinking about more income, but in turn they lose more. Now we can see that the market has gone up. A bearish negative candlestick pattern has formed. Here we can hold it till the final target, or we can close it here. We will close the trade here. See, we made 47% profit on our investment in just a few minutes. This is how we can trade on Deriv multipliers just by studying basic chart patterns. Deriv has a wide variety of deposit and withdrawal options. You can deposit here with a local bank, Bitcoin, or other options. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions about this video, please let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe our channel for more videos on trading. Thank you for watching.